So guys, let me show you the preview. What the bro? Making a tutorial again? It's really simple. We have our sample video on the timeline. Now let's move the playhead slowly. So from here we have our F word. Now go to filters, or from up here select the filters, then click on this plus icon, search for gain, single left click, gain and volume, then click on this stopwatch to make your first keyframe, then move the playhead to the end of the curse word, then click on this button to add another keyframe, then move one frame back, click on that button again, then go to the first keyframe, move one frame forward, then click on that button again. Now move these two keyframes down as low as you can get. Also you can move any of the keyframes by dragging. As you can see, let's select the last keyframe and change it to default value 0 decibel. Let's see what we have. What the bro? See, we don't have that word anymore. Now we are in keyframes. To move back to timeline, click on the timeline, go to left side, right click, track operation, insert a new track, import the beep sound, left click, drag and drop. You can download this file from the video description. Let's select the audio clip, go to keyframes again, move the playhead to the point of first keyframe, then move back to timeline, move the beep sound, left click, drag, then again select the video file, go to keyframes, last point, timeline, select the beep sound, click on this button to split. Now delete the second part, select, delete, and we are done. What the bro? Making a tutorial again? So guys, that's how easily we can mute a part of video or audio in Shotcut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.